Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm glad that you came here. If this is your first time visiting us on this channel, go ahead and please like the channel. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel to help us get these videos further and further out to the people in the RVing world and other people who just like to watch the stuff that's in the RV world. There's a lot of you guys out there, so we want to include you as well. Thank you for watching us. Anyway, today on this episode, we have a good thing that I've been wanting to get taken care of for a long time. In fact, we were at a campground one time and we ran out of sewer hose. And so we had to go get more sewer hose. I don't know if that's ever been you before. If that is, go ahead and like that or tell me about it. But we had to go get more and more hose so that we could actually get to the sewer in the back of our RV. So I have all this sewer line, right? And so I wanted to get it out of the container that it's in and go ahead and out of the basement of the RV so I could have more room there. So anyway, I found this online. It is a sewer holder, sewer hose holder. And it's really interesting because this right here is also an adjusting one. So you can adjust it to the size that you need when you're putting it on. So it comes just like this, right out of the box. And I'll put the link to this in the description below. So you can go ahead and have that and get you one if you like. But it's an easy hose carrier. And what I like about this is it comes just like this. It comes already set up with the brackets on here, already with the brackets on there. But the one thing that you can do now is you can adjust it from one of the ends. It's an adjustable. So I can adjust it as long as I want it and be able to do that. So carry how much hose I need. So I'm going to put it, I've been looking underneath the RV, trying to find out the best place to do it. I want to put it by my sewer hose, but I couldn't do that. So I'm putting it back here by the back bumper, the easiest place to do that. And so we're going to do that today. We're going to do the install today, and I'll tell you how it's going to go. We're just going to go ahead and drill holes. We're going to set it in place, and then it will be done. And now what it comes with an extra one of these brackets right here. It also comes with a hose clamp that you just tighten up, and it does that. And the reason they have that is because if this thing gets way out there, wow, it can get wobbly, and so they need it to make sure that it's secure. So so we're not going to have it that far out, but I'm going to put a band in this section here before we get started. So it comes with the screws, self-tapping screws, and that's it. I mean, it's really a basically simple little thing. But we're going to see how simple it is when we get up underneath the RV and try to put it on. Okay, here we are on the ground getting ready to go up underneath this RV, and I've already pre-drilled a couple holes right here just so that these screws will go up in there. You don't necessarily have to do it, but I felt like it was the best thing to do for this time. All right, here's the hose clamp that we're going to put on for the center piece so we can just lock these two pieces together. The short distance is not needed, but because we're going a little bit longer, I just wanted to go ahead and put that on there just so it doesn't mess around. I'm not going to tighten this up by no means. I just want to get it on there. And I'll do the tightening up later once I get everything close to being done here. All right, so we got that. And I said I've already pre-drilled these two holes right back here, and so I'm going to go ahead and put the screws in loosely, so I can go back in the back side and add and then screw that in as well. All right, does that make sense?
Yes. I just need to get down there.
tighten it all the way because I want to be able to maneuver it down at that end once I put those screws in. So I'm going to leave that screw on for now. And then okay, got the two on. Now we're going to do the flip side. Here we go. There we go. All right. Okay. Tighten this other side up. We're good to go. Okay, last thing we gotta do, I'm gonna come back and I remember telling you about this. Well, there you have it. It was more difficult than I thought, but we got it done. And you can do it too. Don't be afraid of doing stuff on your RV because you can do it. In fact, I got some other things up here or up there or down here, wherever that's going to show at. Some other videos right there. Go ahead and click on that now to show you other things that we've done with our RV. I'm Tim, and I'll see you down the road.